Here are some interesting facts about various foods. Bananas. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries are not. Botanically, berries are defined as fruits produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh. Bananas fit this definition, while strawberries do not. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's low moisture content and acidic pH make it resistant to bacteria and spoilage. Carrots were originally purple. The earliest cultivated carrots were purple and yellow, not the familiar orange we see today. Orange carrots were selectively bred in the 16th century by Dutch growers to honor the royal house of Orange. Pineapples don't grow on trees. Pineapples grow on a bushy plant close to the ground, and they take about 2 years to reach maturity. Each pineapple plant produces only one fruit at a time. Chili peppers are berries, while you might think of chili peppers as vegetables. They are actually berries. They belong to the same botanical family as tomatoes, bell peppers, and eggplants. Chocolate was once used as currency. The Aztecs and Mayans valued cacao beans so highly that they used them as currency and traded them for goods and services. Apples float in water. Apples are made up of about 25% air, which is why they float in water. The world's most expensive spice. Saffron is the world's most expensive spice by weight. It is derived from the stigma of the saffron crocus flower and is labor-intensive to harvest. The durian fruit smells like rotten onions. The durian fruit, known as the king of fruits in Southeast Asia, is notorious for its strong odor, often described as a mix of rotten onions, turpentine, and gin salts. Despite the smell, it has a loyal fan base who enjoy its unique flavor. These facts offer a glimpse into the fascinating world of food and its history, diversity, and unique characteristics. Don't forget to like and subscribe.